When we founded ARTECHOUSE, we envisioned a place where creatives could work together to turn ideas and concepts into cutting-edge experiences. If ARTECHOUSE serves as a platform for digital and immersive experiences, ARTECHOUSE Studio does the work of imagining and producing these exhibitions.
We're always exploring kind of new and different technologies, finding things that people haven't seen before, and then exploring those and finding what kind of stories we can tell with those, what kinds of experiences we can create with those is key to what we do as a studio.
Since opening in 2017, we have evolved and built a team of architects, engineers, designers, animators, creatives, and storytellers to infuse layers of science and technology within each installation. We developed a technical and creative ecosystem to bring to life studio original productions and collaborations with many outside artists. Artists like Rafik Anadol, Yuko Shimizu, and Vince Frazier.
I've written music for immersive environments for years, but to be able to actually write it for this space where people truly are, surrounded inside of a giant room with, everything being projected.
It's a true collaboration with ARTECHOUSE and an entire team who put together one of the most profound art experiences for 21st century.
We provide the tools and technical capabilities to not only bring their concepts to life, but also the creative vision needed to elaborate those ideas and give them new scope.
ARTECHOUSE has found a really interesting and innovative way to combine their in-house talent with the technology that's cutting edge and at the forefront of what we can do as media artists. And it's really provided an incubator for artists from all around the world to bring their vision to life.
When someone from within or outside of ARTECHOUSE brings us an idea for an experience, the team acts as a one-stop shop for building the idea from the ground up. We always sought to collaborate with visionaries from all horizons, creating spaces where wonder and innovation converge.
For me, coming here from London and standing right in the middle here, it was very emotional.
アーテックハウスと一緒にこうやって仕事をするのはとても嬉しいことで、今回は3回目なんですけども、僕自身もチームの一員となって一つの体験を作り上げているような感覚に準備期間中はなりました。
We have collaborated with industry leaders such as NASA, the Society for Neuroscience, Pantone, Nobel Prize Museum, and others to create exhibitions and experiences that transcend traditional storytelling.
James Webb really is a new, unique telescope, and I'm looking at a new, unique type of art that is feeding off of it.
ARTECHOUSE used to only be a dream for us, but now we get to share that dream, allowing you to always experience the latest innovations in art, science, and technology.
What this type of art does is makes you part of the art and makes you part of the creation, because it's not a static image, it's not passive, it's something that asks you to be a part of it.